How to turn off quiet mode on Instagram. So when you are on quiet mode, the Instagram user will be able to mute the notification of Instagram. If you have enabled the quiet mode and you are not receiving any notification from Instagram, then let's see how you can easily turn off this quiet mode. First of all, head over to your application Instagram. Make sure you are logged into your account. Tap on your profile at the bottom right corner. Tap on this 3 horizontal line at the top right corner. Head over to Settings and Privacy. Inside Settings, the option of notifications will be visible to you. Tap on it. So right here you can see the pause all option is turned on, which means that the quiet mode on Instagram is enabled. In order to turn off quiet mode, all you have to do is turn off this pause all option. Now you'll be able to receive all of the options from Instagram, and you'll be good to go. So this is it, and this is all you need to do in order to turn off quiet mode on Instagram. I really hope this video is gonna help you out. Thank you for watching it till the end.